My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Volkswagen California camper. This vehicle has done just under 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our first of two double beds, which also doubles up as 3 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berths. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. And to the left of our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. On the right, we have eject, navigation, app, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen, we have our AC. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.